We are from Group 3. Our team member is Badaria, Steven, and Natasha. And this is our the topic we are going to present for the assignment, which is packaging system. So what is our question? Our question is the control circuit is used to detect and count the number of products being carried out on an assembly line. It counts 5 products. The circuit energizes a solenoid. The solenoid is energized for a period of 2 seconds and is then shut off, causing it to retract. So in this packaging system, there will be a sensor, a solenoid, a conveyor belt, and the push button. The push button is for the start, for the whole system to being start, and the sensor is used to detect the product, and the conveyor belt is used to move the product, and the solenoid is used to push the product into the package for packaging purpose. And then the objective for this assignment is to develop a system using programmable logic control PLC for packaging machine application to improve labor productivity and ensure packaging quality. To design the ladder diagram of the system by using SFC language for graph set technique. To make a simulation in CS programmer to test the performance of the system and analyze the result. And this is our methodology. For the methodology, this is the graph set we do. That we have an initial step, and then you wait for the transition. When the push button is being pushed, the conveyor belt will on. The conveyor will start moving, and the solenoid will off until the counter count until 5. The conveyor belt will be off, and the solenoid will be on for 2 seconds. The transition time for 2 seconds, and then it will repeat again. The conveyor belt will start moving, and this is the ladder diagram for our question. And now I will use the CS program to demonstrate the program. So for the beginning, the 0.01 will be the address for the push button, and 10.02 will be the address to is the address for to initiate that the push button is being pushed. So when you start, because we test using simulate, we use the force on when it is being on, and we off back to represent we push and release, and then it will remain on. When it remain on, the sensor will wait until it scan until 5 times. The counter CNT0047 will use to count the product pass through the sensor. So we have to repeat to force on and off for 5 times. So when we start counting on and off, it represent the product pass by one through the conveyor belt. So you see the CNT, the counter here, the BCD, the number will keep reduced until when we on until 0, the 5th we start, and then the conveyor belt 100, the address for conveyor belt will be stopped, and the solenoid will be energized, will be on for 2 seconds. The timer will count for 2 seconds. After that, the whole thing will be repeat back to the sensor here, and the counter will be reset also once the timer is done the 2 second counting. Then 2 second counting, the counter will be reset. This is the ladder program we did for the topic. So now back to our for the conclusion is to design the ladder diagram of the system by using graph set technique, and we also to enable to program and troubleshoot the complex machinery, and also make a simulation in CX programmer to test the performance and use the SFC language. Thank you.